Today we are going to see 7th standard chapter, that is of the science. The first chapter is of the living world, adaptation and classification. So here we are going to see some examples. Adaptation is given to the living organisms. Living organisms are divided into plants and animals. First of all, if you see the plants, plants are of this size very smaller than the microscopic up to the huge plants you have seen. Also, they are growing in the different regions. Different regions are, they are terrestrial, means they are growing on the land and so. But here if you see, some of the plants are growing in the water, they are called as the aquatic plants. Some of the plants which are growing in the desert region, some of the plants are growing in the forest, some of the plants are growing in the soil region, and also the grassland or in the forest. So here we are going to see how they are different than each other. Because if you think all these regions where the plants are growing, they are not having the same characteristics because they are also showing some of the differences in their body structures. Okay, and that only are helping them to survive in their particular surroundings. Likewise, if you see the animals also are from the microscopic unicellular up to the huge gigantic animals like elephants, giraffe, and also they also can be seen. They are in the water, they are called as aquatic animals. Then some of the animals which are living in water as well as on the land also are called as amphibians. Then some creeping animals called as the reptiles. Some of the animals which are flying in the air are called as birds. And lastly, the mammals which are terrestrial. So now we are going to see their characteristics and how they are adapted for the particular surrounding to survive. So for that we are going to see what's the definition of adaptation. Now what is adaptation? Adaptation is the gradual changes are taken place. Gradual changes. Changes which are taken place in their body structure. I am just writing here into the points which are helpful for them adjust with their surrounding. Adjust with surrounding. So here we can say gradual changes in the body structure of the animals or the plant which are helpful for them to adjust with their surrounding. This is the definition of adaptation. Now we will move forward. We will see the adaptation in case of the plants. Plants, first of all, we are going to see the adaptation in case of aquatic plants. So first we will see the aquatic plants. Best example of that is the lotus. But if you see another plants, some of the plants are submerged into the water. That means the roots, stems, leaves are completely submerged into the water. Examples are the hydrangeas. Okay, some of the plants are showing they are completely floating on the surface of the water. They also are said here aquatic plants. Examples are algae, mostly the spirogyra. They are forming a scum of the spirogyra or the algae on the surface of the water. Then lotus. Lotus, you know, that is one of the best example of the aquatic plant. Here it is submerged, or you can say some of the characteristics of it. If we observe the roots of these plants, the roots of these plants are adherent to the water of the water bodies, and because of that, adaptation in the roots also, they are not in the tap roots, but they have fibrous roots. Because of the fibrous roots, they can stand in the water bodies. Stem also, you will see that also is completely submerged into the water, and stem have some of the water spaces, the air spaces, If the structure of this is the same, it is just like a horse in the previous observation taken. If you see like this type of a horse over there, but actually this is a tubular structure, and here air gets filled in, and so because of that we can say it is a, because of that air they can flow into the water. And if you see the leaves of the lotus plant, the leaves having shape, you can see somewhat flattened, and because of the flat structure, they can can float on the surface. Then again one question comes: if these plants are opposite to the water, why don't they decompose? Because of the some of the characteristics again we have discussed about. If you see the leaves, they have got some waxy layer from the downside of the leaf also and the upper side also. And because of that, water cannot accumulate on it, so easily it will also get slided from the leaves, so leaves cannot decompose. So this is the total adaptation of the aquatic plants or the lotus. But in some of the plants, you can say, just I told you, some of them are totally submerged into the water, some of them are floating on the surface of the water, some of them are also having some of the part there in the water, some of the parts are floating there on the water surface. But here some of the plants are having different structure, which are having only suppose the leaf-like structure, they are also can survive in that particular region, that is of the water. Now adaptation is of the aquatic plants, and is explained to you. Then we are going to see for the desert plants. Adaptation in the desert plants. Desert plants, if the name is taken, first of all, examples comes in front of you, that is the cactus like open shea and some of the variety of the cactus plants. Then, what are the characteristics which are helping them to grow in the desert? Desert region means mostly Rajasthan region, we also can say, where the scarcity of water. Scarcity of water means where water is not enough for them. So what is available in the ground paper, that only they have to absorb. So root of this plant goes very deep and deep into the soil for the smooth surface of the water. Okay. So here we have the other characteristics of the cactus plants. If the leaves of these plants are seen, leaves cannot be seen, but leaves are being modified into the thorns. So we also can say thorns are the modified leaves of the cactus plant. Then how these are helpful for them? Now if you see the terrestrial plants which are growing on the land, plant leaves are actually flat, and if these leaves are flat, so they can lose a lot of water during the process of transpiration. But to avoid the water loss, here leaves are being modified into thorns. So this is the first adaptation in the desert plants, like cactus, helpful for them to survive in the desert. Second is about the stem. If the stem is observed, then it is greenish in color. It is greenish in color, so that because of the green color is because of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, everybody knows that is the green pigment which are helpful for them in the process of photosynthesis, by which they can prepare their food. And food material which will get prepared by the plant, which is useful for them for the various metabolic activity. So, what are the parts which can be seen there in the desert? Green is able to make the photosynthesis or prepare the food because chlorophyll is present. And thorns also are the modified ways. So these are the characteristics actually in this desert plant which are helping them to survive in the desert region where actually the scarcity of water is seen. Is it clear? Now next point, next we are going to see that the plant is a snowy region. snowy region where snowfall appears, and with the snowfall is there, again lot of problems will be there for the plants and so animals also in case of the survival. Now if you see the plants in case of trees are mostly the deodar, pine and some other plants. In the shape of these plants are seen, they are conical in shape. So they are conical in shape. And why these are conical in shape? Because in the leaf structure we see they are like this in the middle shape, and there are helping them or helpful for them. Whenever there is snowfall, it will get accumulated on the surface of that leaves, and later it will be slides off. So because of that, leaves cannot decompose. So this is one of the adaptation which is taken place in case of the plants like deodar and the pine. Then next we are going to see regions which are grassland plants, the forest regions. You know this of the forest region, variety of the plants you can see. Variety of the plants means which we cannot name the one of the plants because so many plants are growing. Here we also can see the trees, the shrubs, herbs, grass, whatever. Okay, also among the climbers also there which can take support of this plant. But here, variety of plants which we can say the one place, so every plant is competing with each other. Okay, every plant is competing with each other for their survival also and for their growth also. So, because of that, height of the plant increase. They also grow very, very tall. Okay, plant grows very, very tall, and climbers which are also growing over there, they also taking support of this taller plant, and they also take support of this plant with the help of tendrils, and they also growing around with this taller plant. So here we can see the forest regions plants